Welcome to the Volunteer Global video blog. Today, let's talk a little bit about volunteering for ocean conservation. When volunteering abroad, many people look for a unique experience where helping hands are needed and where they can learn something along the way. For some of you, the perfect fit might be volunteering for ocean conservation. In an ocean conservation volunteer project, you're sure to enjoy an adventure, gain new skills, and be part of a valuable effort to save our oceans. As climate change drives the need for marine conservation more and more, many organizations are looking for volunteers to be part of a very worthwhile effort. While this is for sure a non-traditional volunteer experience, this might be the perfect fit for you. For students interested in biology, many conservation programs specifically look for volunteers with experience in the field or in an environmental science. This could be an awesome chance to flex your scholarly muscles while gaining some real-world experience. Volunteering for ocean conservation will also be very beneficial to your resume as you apply for college or graduate school, as it'll show that not only are you a concerned citizen, but that you're also someone with experience working with research teams and with problem solving. Marine volunteering typically falls into two categories: volunteering with habitat and coral conservation, and then volunteering with animal research and rehabilitation. Both of these areas are great opportunities, so you should really just choose the individual program that's the right fit for you. As plants and corals are the backbone of the ocean, conservation in this area is vitally important. Because of a recent phenomenon called coral bleaching, which is caused by higher ocean water temperatures, more volunteers are needed to assist in studies, research dives, and to work with scientists as they strive to save our coral reefs. Similarly, an increase in beachfront development is threatening the last stable habitats of many marine species. While working with animals may sometimes seem more appealing, remember that it's the habitats of the ocean that support such a diverse range of species. Working with coral and plant life is not only ecologically gratifying, but it's also one of the most stimulating branches of environmental recovery. Many marine conservation programs focus on working with animals like sea turtles, dolphins, and manatees. Just as it's important to preserve the habitats in which these animals live, it's also imperative for scientists to understand the needs of the animals themselves. Therefore, volunteers are needed to assist with research, rehabilitation, and population monitoring. Marine animals are fascinating to work with and will definitely provide a unique service experience that's much different than the typical one. Volunteering with marine animals is also an excellent idea for someone considering a career in veterinary science or in biology. At Volunteer Global, we promote many programs that work for ocean conservation. Programs range from general to specific and often include many project areas for volunteers, especially for those serving long-term to specialize in. If you have plenty of experience working with marine animals or habitats, it also might be a good idea to check out internships with these programs, as many of them look for skilled young professionals to give a hand. Keep in mind that some programs require specialty skills like scuba certification or research experience. If you don't have this now, this might just be the opportunity for you to gain or work on some of these skills for future expeditions. Even if you live far from the ocean, there are many PADI certification dive shops that have opportunities for you to get scuba certified. And some even provide the opportunity for marine research experience. If this is what you want to do, go for it! Chances are you won't regret it. Now let's go over 3 programs you might want to consider for a marine volunteer trip. Coral Cay Conservation connects scholars, scientists, and volunteers from around the world to work for coral, animal, and habitat conservation. They pride themselves on a belief in citizen science and work for any amount of time commitment. Waves for Development works with surf voluntourism to make surfing benefit the communities that it so often surrounds. Volunteers are not required to already know how to surf, but they'll definitely learn. Reserva Playa Tortuga is a great program that works with everything from habitat management to water quality studies to sea turtle conservation. Volunteers are expected to stay at least 1 week and will have fun learning a diverse set of skills and needs in the marine conservation world. Of course, these aren't all the marine conservation programs available to you, so be sure to visit volunteerglobal.com and connect with us on Facebook and Twitter to learn more about the many opportunities available. Thanks for listening, and until next time.